Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create AOM scripts. That's to show you how to launch your QTP tool outside the QTP application itself. So basically, just to give you an highlight about what's AOM, AOM is it's an automation object model that will help us to launch our QTP application outside uh, outside the QTP tool. So to do that, we have to create this AOM script on a notepad and save it as a VBS file, like a VB script file, and then we can run it to complete our task from outside the tool. So basically, I have a sample script right here. This script is to only go to this website. It's just random website, and let me walk through the code. Let me run it first so that I'll show you what it does. But go to this website, and then what I just did was I went to their mailing list and tried to subscribe with first name, last name, sample email address, and join the email list. And they just want to find out whether the mailing list is successful or not. So once we find out that, let me run it again and show you if it's successful or not. There you go, subscription successful. So the point of having this script is not to show you how to do record and run, but it's to show you how I can launch this script outside the QTP tool. So the first thing I would do, first I need to save this script. I can I already saved the save as AOM script. I already have it on my objects repository. The next thing I'll do is just close this tool. I don't need this tool anymore. So first thing I'll do, I'll go to Notepad, open my Notepad. That's the first thing I want to create an object, QTP object. So like you guys probably already know how to create an object from a class. So just want to show you set. Let me give it the name QTP and create object. I want to create an object. So the class name for a QTP application is quick test application. So that's the class name for this QTP application, and we're trying to create an object for it. I call it QTP. So from that I can QTP that visible out true. So this is only for me to show me when the application launch. I can see it, and then I want to launch this application. After I launch the application, I want to open my script. So basically, I need to navigate to the script that we have just created. I navigate to AOM script. I right click by holding shift onto it. I can copy the path, go here, and I just paste it right here. And then once I open the script, next thing will be to run it, right? QTP dot test dot run. And then once I finish running it, I need to close it. QTP test dot close. And then after I close it, I need to quit the application. And then after that, I need to release the memory. So I want to set QTP equal to for nothing. So this is my script right here. So this is basically I created an object from this QTP class, and then I make it visible so that I can see when the application launch. I just launch it, and I open this test, and then I run the test, and I close the test, and I quit the application, and I release the memory. So I need to save this file as let's say launch qtp.vbs. That's the vib script file. I need to change it to all files. Sometimes if you don't do that, you don't populate it, treat it like a VBS file, so you need to make it all files, and I just save it to my documents. Now I'm done, so I can close everything. So let me navigate to that folder, to this VB script file, launch KTP, and let me double click it and show you how it works. Now my script is running, and it's trying to locate the application, the QTP application. Yeah, QTP just launched. It's trying to look for the script. There you go. It opened the website and make the registration. Yep, subscription successful. And now it's closing the application. And then after it's closed the application, you'll release the memory, and then we're done. So basically, the application just did everything outside the tool. We use the script. So the next thing I want to show you is just how I can launch this script without uh, the user being right next to their PCs or their servers. So we can use a Windows task scheduler. Can just tap task and bring up the Windows task scheduler. So Windows task scheduler basically will help us to launch applications on a daily basis or weekly basis. We can specify when and how we want to launch this application. So what I want to do is I want to create basic task. So create on basic task. So my goal here is to set up a scheduler that will launch this application every day at 8 o'clock, and on the application we can actually stay a little bit. There you go. So I have to give it a name. I'll say AOM launch. Now I have to give it a description so that this will launch GTP and run my script every day at 8 o'clock. So, and I want to run it daily. I want to run it. I need to specify time. I want it 8 o'clock, exactly 8 o'clock. And start date be today's date, recurring every day. So I just leave just one. If I want to every 2 days, I can put it every 2 days, just every day. And the action should start a program, send an email, or display a message. I want to say start the program, hit next, and now I can navigate to my VB script that I have just created. So navigate to launch KTP, open that script, and these are options, and I hit next, and then it will show me the details before I save this task. Now everything looks good. I hit finish. There you go. So if I go to my library, maximize it, now I can see that there's AOM launch, it's ready. It launched every day, 8 in the morning, and it will say it will run forever, and it will tell me the author and everything. So now I'm done. I can close my application. So starting tomorrow, every day, 8 o'clock, that script will just launch by itself and do the same thing that I just showed you. You will close the application, and then if there be any records, will be recorded on the specified location. So just to show you how everything happens. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. You have a good day.